So for our next rule, we have the zero rule and the negative exponent rule. These are both new to the grade 11 course, so we are just going to go through this. If you have a good grasp on the previous rules, these should be pretty straightforward. Now, the zero rule states that if I have a base and it's raised to the exponent 0, the answer is always equal to 1. So let's take a look at this example. We have 12 as our coefficient, and I have m to the power of 4 divided by m to the power of 4. We're going to use our quotient rule to subtract our two exponents. So I have 12 to the power of 12 times m to the power of 0. So I have 12 times 1, and this is equal to 1. Now, let's say that I have a question like this. It's very similar to the original example, except this time I have a negative 4 in the base. So let's try doing the same thing. I have 12 m to the power of 4 minus, this time it's minus 4 because the original exponent in the denominator is a negative 4. Let's simplify this. I have 12 times m to the power of 4 plus 4. And so when I simplify it, I have 12 m to the power of 8. There is no zero exponent, so I don't make this a 1. Great. Our second rule that is new to the grade 11 course is the negative exponent rule. Now, the negative exponent rule states that a negative exponent can be expressed as a positive exponent if you take the reciprocal of the base. Now, the word reciprocal. Reciprocal means to flip. So our numerator and the denominator takes a different position. The numerator is now on the bottom. The denominator is now up on the top. Now, we don't apply the negative exponent rule until we complete all of the other rules first. So let's look at this question. In this question, we have a numerator and a denominator. And in the numerator, it looks like there's some multiplication going on with bases that are the same. So let's do that before we combine the denominator as well. So I have 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 2x squared. I'm rewriting my denominator, 5 to the power of 9, x to the power of negative 4. So let's use our product rule to simplify the numerator. 5 to the power of 4x squared divided by 5 to the power of 9, x to the power of negative 4. Let's use quotient rule to simplify. So I have 5 to the power of 4 minus 9, and I have x to the power of 2 minus 4. So 5 to the power of negative 5, x to the power of 2 minus 4, which becomes 2 plus 4, or 6. Now, this first power has a negative exponent. And what that means is the negative exponent needs to be made positive by flipping our number. Now, remember, 5 is the same as saying 5 over 1. So when I flip it, the 5 is just going to move to the denominator. In my numerator, I have 6 to the power of 1, and the denominator, I have 5 to the power of positive 5.